Oh wow, it's already starting to unroll itself. I'm not gonna lie, I've been living like a peasant. The last 2 months. Honestly, I just bought the house. Home ownership costs a lot, and I just wasn't ready to bite the bullet to buy a brand new bed. You know, why'd you do that? You just flung that at me. The previous bed that I had before this, I am gonna be using it in the guest bedroom. So I have not been sleeping on a bed, just on a king size mattress on the ground. I've been scouring all over the internet, bro, like all over YouTube. I've been looking for a actual genuine review video of the Rove Lab O2 bed. I hope this video really helps you guys because like, I just can't believe that a company like Rove Labs, they just do a lot of advertising and they have a lot of people reviewing their stuff, but you can tell that it's all paid reviews. So I just didn't want to see reviews coming from Rove Lab. I wanted to see more people actually doing a review on the bed and installing it as like just real customers. So that's what I'll be doing today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it just as much as I will. Pyro, what are you doing to your poor bear? All right, cutie, you do that while I go bring these boxes up. There's one over here and I brought one upstairs already. I'm gonna lug this thing up there and we will get started on the unboxing. Pyro, what did you do to the ground? What did you do to your toy? Pyro, what are you doing? Pyro, you gonna help me? You gonna help me bring the box upstairs? Come on. Pyro, you grab that side. Go grab that side. All right. We're in the master bedroom. I guess this is what it meant. It's basically bare bones in here. I have a lot to do in terms of design. I might put a spin bike right here so that I can watch the outside, the backyard. I might do that. I just got this new fence that was installed literally this morning. It took the guy like half an hour, freaking fast. Maybe a fake plant over there and then rearranging some of the way that this is currently set up. Personally, I think that this bed, I think it actually would be better over there. Just because there are two light switches for the bedside. That's, I guess, meant for the bed to go there. I will have to double check to see if the length actually fits because I actually never measured it. And this purple has got to go, bro. Like, I am not a fan of this purple. So if this becomes the wall where the bed goes on, or even if it's not the wall that the bed goes on, I'm getting rid of this, man. Like maybe some wood accent or something because the rest of the house is very like natural looking, very like white and wood. So I think that's probably the direction that I'm gonna go. But as you can see, they sent it with 2 boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them and see what we have. All right, I'm not gonna use my hands, bro. That shit's gonna take forever. I'm actually surprised that they're able to fit an entire king size bed frame in 2 boxes, bro. So that's the first box. Let's get rid of this. I was gonna say, like, is it that easy for it to put together for it to not have instructions? But I guess maybe these are instructions. Here are the instructions, let's see. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. So we got the headboard, we got the base foam, and we got the sideboard. But bro, there are 2 boxes. How does that work? It's probably a good idea for me to move this mattress out the way first. Very interesting choice of color. This is like fluorescent or some. I need scissors in the end. I am very impressed with how they, oh shoot, I don't even need scissors. Yeah, I am very impressed with the way that they have packed this into like 2 boxes. Oh wow, it's already starting to unroll itself. Y'all seen that? Oh, I see. There's 3 pieces, but 2 boxes, because this one has 2 pieces inside. The siding, let's put that over there for now. So here's the headboard. Actually, I didn't show you guys for the first time, but let me show you this time around. The reason why I said you didn't need scissors is because you got some yellow pull tabs. You literally just pull this. So you don't even need scissors, bro. Just pulled on the yellow tabs and it came right off. All right, shit, this one took a little longer. Now, what's next? I guess I need the instructions after all. So what I'm supposed to do is, if you guys can see over here, for example, there's zippers on the sides of the baseboard, as well as the sideboards. So all you need to do is line it up and zip it. Okay, well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but yeah, you get the point. All right, I guess that's another thing, is you gotta make sure that it's in the right orientation. I got like 2 to 3 inches left of zipper, so that tells me that I installed it the wrong way. So let's take this out, flip it over, and try again. All right, I think we got it the right side this time. Sweet. All right, got it through, and zipper up. Done. Done. I think I gotta flip this over now and zip the bottom, so hopefully I'll be able to do this by myself. God damn. Okay, that's not bad. The only thing left is the headboard. So let's bring her down and see how she looks. Now the last thing is just the headboard. So same thing as the other sides, but there's a double zipper on both sides. So I guess we just gotta zip her up. And then the headboard should be good to go. Oh, there's another zipper here as well. Oh, and on the bottom. So 6 more zippers. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6. Not gonna lie, this headboard doesn't look heavy, but this shit's kinda heavy, bro. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I believe this is the cloud colorway. Okay, let me double check. Yeah, in case anyone was wondering, this bed costed me $13.50. That's with $100 off for signing up their email list. And then they had a 40% off sale as well. This is the cloud bed, the cloud colorway. And the original price is $2,300, but yeah, I got it for $13.50, baby. Let's go. Oh my God. All right. We are finally done. Not gonna lie. It wasn't hard per se, but it was definitely tedious doing it with just one set of hands. But I'm trying to surprise my girl, you know? So hopefully she can appreciate it. I'm really liking the way that it's turning out right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the mattress on the actual bed. So this is what the final finished product looks like. And a king size bed still gives me plenty of walkway space. and I have plenty of room to like add other pieces of furniture. My girl likes it, this orientation. I kind of want to try it coming down this way. So let me see if I can get a measuring tape and see if this can even fit and be a possibility, because I just feel like it makes more sense, you know? So this bed is about 83 inches. I guess it might not make that much sense. You know, for the amount of money I paid for it, $13.50 Canadian with tax in, for a king size bed, bro. For a king size bed, man, I can't lie, that's a pretty solid steal. If I were to pay full price, it would have came out to around $2,600 with tax. At that price point, I'm not sure if I would have pulled the trigger, but you know, we're keeping it real here. So I would say I would probably only buy it if it was on sale, and I got it for 40% off. So thank God I did. Otherwise, I'd probably not be as stoked as I am right now. But for $13.50, I love this bed a lot in terms of how it looks so far. So we'll see how I actually like it when it comes to actual daily use. Let's give it a try and hop on this bed. Okay, not gonna lie, it just feels like what I've been sleeping on the last 2 months, which is my mattress, but it does obviously give you the elevation as well. So I'd say it's pretty sturdy. Constructing it, 10 out of 10 in terms of easiness. Looks wise, I'd say it's also at least a 9 or 10 out of 10. Colorway, hopefully I don't get this stain, but you know, me and my girl were suckers for all white stuff. If you made it this far into the video, just know that I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the next video, and I will see you next time.